Hello friends, I'm going to back up my FTD. So just go to device and then go to backup and restore. Okay, so if you see, you can see this page. So click device and then go down backup and restore. Click here. So now here you can go to manual backup right now. You have also schedule. Okay, so I'm configuring the manual backup. This and like 21 April 2025 FTD to back. Okay, just from the description the same thing and backup now. So the backups are working. So it will take like 1 minute. So I'm going to just pause this. Okay, now the backup is completely configured and then here you can see backup is configured. So now I'm going to download this backup first. Okay, so this backup is downloaded. Okay, so further in any case you just go to restore, then click to browse and then select your backup and just open. So do you want to continue? Just upload, and after that you need to upload this file and restore from there. Okay, thank you. If you like, please hit the like button and also subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.